Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Sprint legend Usain Bolt is to release yet another rhythm dubbed Immortal. The new project is a follow to his debut set Olympe Rose. The new compilation will feature music from dancehall artist Vibes Cartel, along with Massacre, Munga Honorable, DeMarco, Ding Dong, and Christopher Martin. Bolt has been teasing fans with previews of each track on his official Instagram account. The project will be distributed by 21st Happiness. Now, the Queen of Stage Spice is celebrating the success of her track Turning Tables. The video for the single has gained over 5 million views in just 4 weeks of being released. In the new track, Spice gives an insight on the important topic of gender roles and obliterates the idea that a man cannot take on the household chores like cooking or even grocery shopping. The visuals for Tables Turned were shot and edited by Extreme Arts and Roland Fabella, and Spice is credited as the director. Meanwhile, Spice recently launched her makeup line dubbed the Piano Palette. According to Spice, the line is inspired by her love for music. The Piano Palette colors bear the names of her songs like Romantic Mood, Cool It, Needle Eye, and Sheet. On the international scene we go, where rapper Snoop Dogg has a new project. It's a lullaby album. The album features melodic renditions of his songs like Drop It Like It's Hot, Snoop Doggy Dogg World, Gin and Juice, Beautiful, among others. The project will be released today on vinyl only, but will be released digitally a week later on December 6th. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.